Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to design this model together from start to finish. We'll begin the modeling process from the handle, starting with a simple cube, then adding proper edge loops based on the reference to achieve a clean and solid model. Let's jump into the modeling process and I'll explain everything step by step along the way. And don't forget to subscribe to support the channel and drop your feedback in the comments. Now that we've created the main shape of the handle, we select the faces and extrude them to build the inner part. Then we select those faces again and extract them so we can work more precisely on the details. Let's go through the process together. Always keep this tip in mind. For symmetrical models, it's best to model only half of the object. Then duplicate it and merge the vertices together to get a clean and complete model. Now that the handle modeling is finished, we'll move on to the next part using a plane. The key to working properly with a plane is adding the right edges so you can achieve a clean and solid model. To manually add edges, we use the multi-cut tool. This is one of the most useful and essential tools in our modeling workflow, and you should definitely get comfortable using it. One of the most important tips for clean and proper modeling is keeping your model smooth and consistent. To achieve this, we connect the beveled areas to the correct vertices using the multi-cut tool, which helps us maintain clean and even faces. In the next step, we'll define the slot for the blade inside the handle. To do this, we duplicate the blade model, select both the handle and the blade, and apply Boolean operations. After that, we clean up the mesh using the multi-cut tool and target weld tool to achieve a proper and clean topology. And that's the end of part 1 of this modeling process. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss part 2, which will be released tomorrow. By the way, you can watch the full 0 to 100 modeling process, including UV mapping and material creation, in the playlist on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, it really supports me, and if you have any feedback, drop it in the comments.